Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel and today 17 of my advent calendar. Well, we haven't got many boxes left on this advent calendar, which means only one thing, that Christmas is very near. So on my channel we are going to be doing some daytime unboxings of the 17 to 24 as we begin the final week of this advent calendar here. So I've just found day 7 here and it is another small box, so I'm hoping this time I can hear something rattling and I'm confident that this is a lipstick. Yesterday, just to recap, I got a Pink Beauty blender and then on day 15 I got a powder brush followed by a compact mirror on day 14, which was Saturday. So I'm hoping that this year we'll get another makeup product, because I don't think we've had another makeup product in about 4 days now. So I am hoping, fingers crossed, that this is a lipstick. We've got a paper box on here today. The last time we got one of these was on day 10, which was the first time, and I didn't show you that because I had the very same thing in there that I got on day 9, and it was another headband, but this type in grey, similar to the colour of the top I've got on today. Okay then, let's see if what is waiting inside number 17. It's a bit like the Lord Audio list, like choosing boxes. And I feel like 2023 and 2024 are lots of years where it's like one of those years where it's brought back a lot of memories of my childhood, including game shows and quizzes, because Deal or No Deal was one of those ones where it was on Channel 4. I think it was discontinued and then they brought it back last year with Stephen Mulhern. We are still yet to see if Stephen Mulhern has made a winner. I'm hoping we get one soon, but I just think they're opening this whole advent calendar thing is a bit like Deal or No Deal. The only difference is we're not choosing random boxes, we are going in order. Right then, that being said, let's get right into number 17. Oh, this looks like a lipstick, you can tell by the shape, but it's a wrapped up mystery item. It's a nice little touch that they've done with wrapping each of these items up. So have we got a lipstick? Okay, maybe not today. So we have a mini 17 setting spray here, and I like how you've got the press pump. It's very similar to my NYX Dewy setting spray that I've got. Oh, here we go. I thought I had it up on my drawers, but as you can see here, it's got a very similar pump, and it's something that I'm really looking forward to. Up until about maybe June, I wasn't really a girl that was into the whole setting spray thing, but I am looking forward to giving this a go. I might try this over Christmas, and then what I'll be doing when I do my full testing 17 video in January, I'll be sure to include this in the video itself. I'm hoping, do you think this will be like the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer? I've tried the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and it's a really nice ultra fine mist, where it's not one of these ones where, unlike some sprays or perfumes even, I've compared some sprays to my Victoria's Secret perfumes where it's just a lot of, when you get a single pump, it's just poof. And I feel like that's a little bit too much. So let's see what this one's like. I'll just get it warmed up. Oh wow, that was quite a big spritz. So I was like, I'm not sure how big a spritz this will be on my face, but I'm not going to do that in today's video. So at least it gives you something to look forward to. So I'm happy that the spritz you get looks promising and you'll be able to cover a large area of face, because I kind of stand it when I'm having to just go like top to bottom, and I've used a lot of spray. And it was one of the reasons I shied away from it, like doing it once all your makeup's finished, because if you do it when your makeup's finished, it would just make everything run. So what I would do is, I would probably, now you guys are probably going to like talk me out. Oops, I just dropped it on the floor. You guys are probably going to talk me out to say you don't do it before your makeup, but I have noticed that this works with me. But you can do it the way it works for you, because there is no right or wrong way to use a setting spray. Okay, so there you have it guys. This is today's video of day 17 on the advent calendar from 17 Countdown to Joy for Christmas 2024. I am really happy that I finally got a setting spray, because I want to see what different brands are. I am thinking about doing a video on best drugstore setting sprays, so that is a possible idea coming in the new year. And of course I'll be able to do this, like I say, in my full one brand video once all the boxes have been opened. I am hoping we maybe get a lipstick tomorrow or in the coming days, because we are coming to the end of this advent calendar. What are your predictions of my Christmas Eve box? Do you think we'll get a lipstick on that one, or do you think we might get it earlier, whereas on Christmas Eve we may get a prize and we may get a bonus one with it being the last box? Comment down below what you think, because I would love to hear some of your predictions. In the meantime, guys, be sure to hit the bell down below, comment and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button if you really enjoyed this video, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.